Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I thought it would be fun to show you one of my favorite features in Silhouette Studio. I have used this tool so many times. It allows me to make professional looking graphics, whether it be for invites or flyers or even for website design. So let's head on over to my computer and let me show you how you can bling your text or add really any custom pattern or print you want to a shape or object in Silhouette Studio. The first thing we are going to want to do when we get inside of Silhouette Studio is add text. So I am going to add "You rock." This is so true, by the way, because you're here online, YouTube, learning how to do something new, which is pretty cool, and I'm sure you're going to use it to design some bomb projects. So I totally want to see what you design. Please share. Okay, on top of adding text, I'm also going to add a shape because I want to show you that this technique can be used with not just text. It's so awesome, guys. Okay, once we add our text and shape, the next thing you're going to need to do is go on your computer and find a pattern or an image that you want to use. I already saved glitter JPEGs to my computer that I really like, so that's what I'm using for the purposes of this tutorial. So, come back, Silhouette Studio. I am going to take this red glitter and just drag it right over to Silhouette. And I'm going to make sure that I drop it right on top of the shape. Notice as I move it around, it goes to the words. I can just put it in Silhouette, or I can put it on the shape. Put it on the shape. Next, I'm going to go and grab, let's do purple. Boom, done. How easy was that, guys? And let's zoom in a little bit and show you how cool this looks. Now I have a glitter graphic. And a really cool thing about this technique is that you can click the object, go to the fill menu on the right, and when you're here, there's a fill at the very top, these little squares, a fill, a gradient, and a pattern. Since you drop the image onto the shape, you're able to utilize the advanced options. Watch what happens when I scale this pattern. The glitter gets bigger. I can also make it smaller in the same token. It's pretty neat. I also have the option to change the angle and rotate it. So really, guys, this will help you step up your design game. Imagine the invites you can make or the different textures that you can add to 2D graphics to really make your designs pop. And that's it. Pretty simple, right? Please feel free to leave a comment if you had any questions. Let me know if you liked it. And also, if there's anything else that you would like to know about Silhouette Studio, I am happy to share all the knowledge in this head.